Okay, everyone, for question number 10, we want you to imagine that you want to place the bacteria in a way that allows one variation to outcompete the others. So you want one bacteria to make 90% of the population and the other bacteria to hardly survive at all. So you got to think, how do you want to arrange the bacteria so that they won't be able to compete very well and just one of them will do really well? So in the example down here, you can see that I put one red one in one corner, I put the green one in one corner, I put the purple one in one corner, and I put the brown one in the middle. It's my hypothesis that the brown one is going to do really well, and the red and the purple and the green are not going to do very well. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. So I'm going to click on my tab. So this is the computer simulation. I'm going to go ahead and hit Setup Reset. And I can see that these four are in random places. I'm going to uncheck the reproduce button for just a moment, and I'm going to hit go pause. And now I'm going to drag them to the locations that I said I would drag them. So I said I'd put a red one in the corner. I said I'd put a brown one in the middle. I got to go back and remind myself how exactly I said I was going to do it. So let me go back here. I said red in the middle, purple in the right, and green in the bottom. So let me go back. Purple in the right-hand corner, like that, and green in the bottom corner like that. Okay, so now they're ready. I've got them arranged just like I said I would have them arranged on this diagram here, only you're going to make that diagram over here. You're going to show us what's your idea. You're going to draw that in this box here. And if you have the paper, you're going to draw it with paper. If all you have is pencil, you don't have colors, then you would say red, and then you'd say purple and brown and green. However you want to do it. So now I'm going to run the simulation. Oops, wrong tab. There we go. Now I'm going to run the simulation. So I'm going to click reproduce, and that'll get them to start dividing. And if I'm impatient, which I know some of us are, I can speed up the simulation and make them reproduce really, really fast, and maybe speed it up even more. And once the Petri dish is completely full, I'm going to hit pause. So it's not completely full yet. So I'll wait and I'll wait. And it didn't turn out quite the way I expected. I thought the brown would do even better than it did. It did pretty well. Maybe you can think of a way to make brown or whatever color do even better. So give it just a second to finish going. And we're waiting and waiting and waiting. You can make it go super fast. You don't have to wait for all this. Okay, so now I'm going to hit pause, and I'm going to look at the numbers, and I'm going to write those numbers on the data table. So now I'm going to go back to where you guys are. And if I go down a couple screens right here, I'm going to write the number of bacteria. So there's, oops, wrong tab, sorry. There's 52 purple, 66 green, 225 brown. I did pretty well. And 56 red. I wonder if one of you could make one of the colors do even better than 225. Now I need to calculate the percentages, and I'll show you this one. We want you to draw. I'm going to go to this next slide, this one right here. We want you to draw the results. So if you take a look at this image here, you're going to try to draw this. Now you don't have to draw each individual bacteria, just color red in the corner like this, color green in the corner like this, color purple in the corner like this, and color brown in the middle and into the corner like that. Let me know if you have any questions. That's it.